Hi and welcome to Shiksha. Today we bring some exciting questions related to UEFA Euro 2020. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Question 1. UEFA Euro 2020 is the dash edition of championship. Answer is 16th. Question 2. What was the name of the official ball of UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Uniforia. Question 3. When did UEFA Euro 2020 started? Answer is 11th June 2021. Question 4. Total numbers of games played in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is 51. Question 5. The original schedule of UEFA Euro 2020 was supposed to be held on. Answer is 12th June to 12th July 2020. Question 6. How many countries host UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is 11. Question 7. Tagline for UEFA Euro 2020 is. Answer is Live it for real. Question 8. Which team won the opening match of Euro 2020? Answer is Italy. Question 9. Which team scored the most goals in Euro 2020 in group stages? Answer is Netherlands with 8 goals. Question 10. How many players can be substituted in Euro 2020 according to the new FIFA rules and regulations? Answer is 5. Question 11. Which team in Euro 2020 conceded the least amount of goals? Answer is England. Question 12. Who was captain of England in UEFA Euro 2020 final? Answer is Harry Kane. Question 13. Who was the oldest player in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Pepe from Portugal. Question 14. Who was the captain of Italy in UEFA Euro 2020 final? Answer is Giorgio Cellini. Question 15. Name the youngest player of UEFA Euro 2020. Answer is Kasper Kozlowski from Poland. Question 16. UEFA Euro 2020 final held in between which countries? Answer is England versus Italy. Question 17. Who won first Euro Cup and when? Answer is Soviet Union in 1960 against Yugoslavia. Question 18. Name the most winning title team in UEFA Euro till date 2021. Answer is Germany 3 times. Question 19. Name the goalkeeper who is having maximum save in UEFA Euro 2020. Answer is Van Sommer from Switzerland. Question 20. Who scored the 800th goal in Euro history 2020? Answer is Haris Seferovic from Switzerland. Question 21. Name the coach who resigned after UEFA Euro 2020. Answer is Joachim Löw, 16 years, from Germany. Question 22. After how many years Italy seeking add their solo UEFA Euro title 2020? Answer is 53 years. Question 23. Name the footballer who undergo cardiac arrest in UEFA Euro 2020. Answer is Christian Eriksen from Denmark. Question 24. Against which team Christian Eriksen undergo cardiac arrest? Answer is against Finland. Question 25. A new system makes its debut in UEFA Euro 2020 known as? Answer is VAR, also called Video Assistant Referee. Question 26. What is the meaning of Uniphoria? Answer is unity and euphoria. Question 27. Who made the most appearances in UEFA Euro history? Answer is Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal. Question 28. Leading goal scorer in Euro 2020. Answer is Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal and Patrick Schick from Czech Republic, 5-5 each. Question 29. Who scored the fastest goal in Euro 2020? Answer is Emil Forsberg from Sweden in 2 minutes. Question 30. Which two countries were debut in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Finland and North Macedonia. Question 31. How anti-racism gesture showed in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is bowing of knee before kickoff. Question 32. How many teams are taking part in Euro 2020? Answer is 24. Question 33. Which is the only stadium to be fully packed in Euro 2020? Answer is Budapest Stadium, Hungary. Question 34. Name of the stadium that hosts UEFA Euro 2020 final. Answer is Wembley, London. Question 35. Total capacity of Wembley Stadium is? Answer 90,000. Question 36. Who was the referee in the UEFA Euro 2020 finals? Answer is Bjorn Kuipers from Dutch. Question 37. Which team did not concede a single goal during the group stages in Euro 2020? Answer is England. Question 38. Going to Rome is the hashtag for which country? Answer is Italy. Question 39. Bring it home is the hashtag for which country? Answer is England. Question 40. Who is the champion of UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Italy. Question 41. Who won UEFA Euro 2020 Golden Boot? Answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. Question 42. Who was awarded UEFA Euro 2020 Best Player of the Tournament? Answer is Gianluigi Donnarumma. Question 43. Who is the coach of Italy in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Roberto Mancini. Question 44. Who is the coach of England in UEFA Euro 2020? Answer is Gareth Southgate. Question 45. Who will host UEFA Euro 2024? Answer is Germany. So these are some of the latest questions from UEFA Euro 2020. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, do share with your friends. For more such content, do subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.